What's up everyone, today we're going to show you how to make a volcano using baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. So the first thing you're going to do is place your container with water inside the tray so it doesn't make a mess. Next we're going to pour some baking soda into the water and mix it with a spoon. Alright, so now you're going to pour some food coloring into the container. Alright, finally you just take some white vinegar, pour it into the container and let it erode.